Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X3 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can insert a SIM card into this device. Now before you get started, you'll need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box. So you can get it from there. You can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. But I'll be using this. So anyway, let's take off the case and pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device. As you can see where the pin is holding right now. Push it in, tray pops out just a little bit, enough for you to grab it. And from here you have space for two different SIM cards. So you can place them on either tray, doesn't really matter, so this one or the other one. And from there, pop it back into the device, and the card should start working immediately. So give it a second, and there we go. As you can see, it gives me enter the pin for SIM. So I'm gonna confirm this. Oops, actually, wait. There we go. So once I confirm it, the card will now work. And that is basically how you insert your SIM card into this device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.